guys. I'm here at the grocery store. I'm going to run in and grab some dinner for tonight. It is October 31st, and I have a few more goodies to share with you with this very last October 2020 making diary. And I hope everyone has enjoyed the time that we were able to spend together. I can only tell you that I've really enjoyed this a lot. I have watched my videos over and over, and I'm probably my biggest critic in all of this. And I've watched a lot of other videos as well, and I know what I like. And I am going to do these on a weekly basis, and I'm going to change my format just a little bit, not too much. And I hope you enjoy what's coming up. I've got lots of plans coming and lots of really cool ideas for everyone. And so I hope that you will subscribe if you're new here. And for those of you who continue to support me, please give comments, everybody. Thumbs up, comments, all those happy things. My date is going to be every Tuesday. I'll post a new podcast. So look for the podcasts on Tuesdays. And as I said, I've got a few things I'm going to share with you and a couple recipes and things like that. I had to take Scarlet Kitty to the vet today. So she's fine. She just had her checkup. So I'm going to go in and get dinner, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. And as I said, subscribe, thumbs up, leave me comments. I love to hear from all of you. I feel like I'm making a really wonderful new network of friends. So thanks again, everybody. Bye for now. This is a handwritten recipe book, and if you look at the ink, this is definitely something that was done with a ink pen that you had to dip into the ink from an ink well. And these are some great recipes. The earliest date that I can find in here is 1899, and this comes from Stephen's family on the Thomas side, and he believes that he thinks this might have been a diary from his great-grandmother. All of these recipes were written in a ledger book, and there's so many pages that are blank, and she had little inserts in there like some coupons and some things that she tore out from magazines that are dating anywhere between 1928 to 1940 was a coupon. I absolutely love the graphics and the magazine articles, and these are all little gifts from a local store, little gift items you could purchase from a local store in Bluefield, West Virginia. And I think this is the date on it, I think, is like in the 20s, 1928. But the graphics and all the cute, yes, fall, it's their little Royal Society, the Embroidery Society, dating into 1928. And here's some things that you can purchase. Lingerie, look at the matching shoes. So cool. I just love this. There's some 1920s ads way in the very back that are really cool.
Well, here's some 1933 ads for new Orthocut Del Monte coffee. Del Monte made pineapples. Well, what the hell does this mean? Oh, hail the cookie.
Yeah, that's probably...
Hell yeah. 1933. I was only a glimmer in my parents' eyes.
I think the coupon is
This
the
felt-
oldest.
What's this? Mother Thomas. How about that? Wait a minute. Mother L. Tom? Wait a minute. No, Mother Thomas. Mother Thomas. Kind of rhymes with Nostradamus. Mother Thomas. Some kind of alchemy going on here. Oh, here's Mother's coupon. Hey, March the 1st, 1940. I was a little bit bigger ember in my parents' eyes at that point. White cake. Ooh, white fruit cake.
This is the recipe that I'm going to make, and I'll share this with you next week. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye for now. See everyone next Tuesday. Thank you so much for your support. Bye.